Hi, this is Nisha, and the doll here you see is Scalicia Calvaris, her dress, and you can see she's a skeleton. Her shoes are green with brown kind of heel things. Her skirt is all colourful and stuff. Her belt is brown, and her top is like black with skeletons. She's orangey red bits in her hair with black, and she has an orange necklace. You might not be able to see it. Now here you see is her suitcase what comes with her, because she's in Paris like. There's a skeleton here, as you can see. It's a very cool skeleton. This is pink. The handle actually can go up like that, but mine's kind of broken. It can go up and down. So, I think that's it.